Morning guys, Scott here at Landlogic HQ. Just a quick update, exciting news here. We've had our first 40-foot container arrive from Germany and we've got the boxes behind us, so why don't we take a quick sneak peek as to what we've got. As you can see, they can fit a lot of boxes in a 40-foot container, so we'll just have a quick look in tops of some of the boxes. Plenty of filters there. One of the exciting parts we've got here is this exhaust that many of you will be familiar with, offering great savings for you and your customers. Radiators, clutch kits, linkage pins. I really do like the way Granit packaged some of their gaskets, pretty cool. Plenty of tie rods, cab filters, glass. Our second container is only a couple of weeks away. That has got the majority of our glass and seats in it. And I'm not tall enough to look in these ones.